Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, AgroMet Classroom. This is the very introductory video for our channel. So let me introduce myself. My name is Swapnil. I have just finished my MSc Agrometeorology and now I'm preparing for further studies. So let's talk about the purpose of creating this channel. So what happened that when I was in my PG and I was studying and I was preparing for ASRB net exam, the CSIR net exam, plus ICR SRF exam. I faced a lot of challenges while looking up for a good filtered out, validated source material for study. So let's begin. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, it is written what is agrometeorology. I will not go with the definition. If you're watching it here, I'm pretty sure you would have known the basic definition of agrometeorology. Let's talk about why there is a need of studying agrometeorology. Okay, yeah, it's going here. Because you see, let's talk about AI and ML. This is known as the subject of future. Why? Because data analysis, AI, ML, everything depends on it. This is supposed to be the basic skill or basic soft skill that one student should have. If you see this subject AI and ML, this is called as the future of the subject of future. Likewise, agrometeorology is called as the subject of future. The few obvious reasons are: first will be climate change, next will be increasing population, decreasing land for agriculture purposes and forestry. Along with the population, there is the malnutrition condition. Then there are natural calamities. This natural calamities are increased a lot. This will be your floods, cyclones a lot. Cyclones you see in the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat. Together they are called coastal regions. They are suffered mainly because of these cyclones. Then landslide, as we see in the Uttarakhand. Forest fire is again one of those natural calamity. Okay, and yes, drought. So now we know why we are going to study agrometeorology. Let's go on what we study in agrometeorology. This is the subject: general meteorology. Okay, then comes agricultural meteorology. Then comes climatology, air pollution meteorology. Oh, this is micrometeorology, the subject we were talking about earlier. Then comes this livestock and fishery meteorology. This is also called as animal climatology. The crop weather modeling. This is the weather forecasting, weather risk management. Here it is your climate change and sustainable development. This is remote sensing and GIS application in agrometeorology. Okay, there is one more subject is there which I have not written here. Unit 11 number. This is crop climatology. What you are going to get after you're finished with MSc Agrometeorology. So you see, first you have to aim for this ASRB net. You see, it will be highly advisable if you give more attention to it and prepare right from the third semester for ASRB net, because clearing it is very important. The other is CSIR net. So CSIR net will be useful. Let's say if you're going to go for your PhD program in interdisciplinary subjects, let's say oceanography or climate science or meteorology or atmospheric physics. If you want to do higher studies in these subjects, or you want to appear for or you go want to go for the research area in these mentioned subjects, or these mentioned interdisciplinary subjects. So in that case, there what happens that CSIRnet will be more useful than ASRBnet. Okay, there's another thing that there's a climate science, their PhD program in climate science in IISc Bangalore, and there they don't accept ASRBnet, they accept CSIRnet or UGCnet. So for CSIRnet, they have different syllabus, totally different syllabus, but uh, you can try if you're okay, you're determined that you want to give. You will give like 6 months. Give 6 months for this CSIRnet, you can qualify it. Okay, then comes ICRSRF PhD. If you qualify it, you'll be joined as directly as GRF in institutes, and there you'll get 31,000 for the first 2 years, and thereafter you'll become SRF and you get 37,000 per month. Okay, once you can apply for research fellowship or research associate. If you are going for research associate in different agriculture or environment related institutes, then they generally ask for net qualified candidates. While for research fellowship, um, you will be asked to join as GRF or SRF, and then there will be choice. They can ask for net qualified candidates sometimes, and sometimes they don't ask for them. Then there are, okay, SMS, yes, the subject matter specialist. You will be appointed here. You'll be appointed as SMS in KVK's Krishi Vigyan Kendra. There, even for that, you should have ASRB net ARS. What happened ki this year from 2024, the eligibility criteria for ARS, that is Agriculture Research Services, it has been changed, and now MSc Agriculture students can apply for ARS exams. Once qualified, you will be appointed as scientists to the respective institutes wherever the openings are there. After that, ISRO Agriculture. In 2024, there are 8 vacancies released by ISRO at the scientist level. And yeah, IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, they have this project scientist vacancies. Then IITM Pune, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology in Pune, they have they generally release vacancies for research associates or JRF or SRF. Yeah, yes. For research associates or GRF or SRF. So these are all sometimes they are temporary. Well, no, sometimes generally they are temporary vacancies. ACSIR, that is accredited CSIR, they have their labs under them. So you can apply for your PhD directly to the labs from ACSIR. Okay, so this is all government. Okay, well, another thing I just forgot. If you qualify for ASRB net, you can apply for assistant professor to mm, to different universities, and that will be okay. If you talk about these are all the government one. After PhD, you can go for professor or become a researcher. It all totally depends. Okay, next these are the private institutes or private firms or company where you can apply. These are SkyMate, WRMF, IWMI, the WRI, ScanPoint, and many other. But I'll say very frankly, there are not much in this private sector if you don't know data analysis, or if you don't know about crop modeling or different crop softwares. So once you get to know about, or once you have when once you acquire the required experience regarding these data analysis or the crop models, you are very much eligible for private agriculture, private farm, and the money is good there. All right. This there are respective institutes for agrometeorology. So you see there are 16 institutes for agrometeorology. The Punjab Agriculture University is there. Tamil Nadu is there. The GB Pant, Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, then Anand Agriculture University, then Assam Agriculture University, or Orissa University, then your Narendra Dev University, Junagadh, Birsa Agriculture, your IGKV is there, Sam Higginbotham is there, the Shridev Soman College of Agriculture, Pune, Maharashtra, then Kerala Agriculture University. These are the universities um, which have agriculture, which have a program of agriculture metrology in themselves.